how to create an album group in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to your home screen. And on the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Next, in here, tap on the Albums tab at the bottom. Then we go to the top and tap on the Add button. From the pop-up menu, go down and tap on Group. Next, give your album a name. Tap on Create. Okay, so now we have create the group. So we can tap on it and then tap on Albums. So this will allow us to group different albums. And then tap on Add. So select the albums and then tap on Add. And in this group, there are 2 albums. Tapping on the More will allow you to create an album in here. You can create another subgroup, so a group within a group, or you can add in other albums. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.